Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create an aesthetic video on CapCut for your Instagram story. So first, you need to use a background and import it to CapCut. You can use any background that you find aesthetic and then just go to overlay, add overlay, then select your photo. Okay, for example, I want to create this photos right here, and you can just go to cutout and remove its background. Now click on the cutout stroke, and then you can just click on the stroke that you like. Okay, so I'm going to use the solid color stroke, and in here you can also change the color of the stroke if you want. I'm going to just go with white, and you can also adjust the size and the opacity of the stroke like this. When you're done, you can just go back and click on a check icon, and in here you can just adjust the position of the photo. Okay, for example, like this, and you are done. This is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.